Hello friends, welcome to Spice Please. Today on Kids Demand, I'll be making Indian pizza. My kids sometimes crave for this Indian pizza. They just love this. So for that, I have taken a packet of Rogani naan. The packet has 10 naans. I have also taken lots and lots of Amul cheese. We'll need salt and pepper, half a cup of marinara sauce, 1 cup hot and sweet sauce, 2 onions, 2 big size green bell peppers, 2 jalapenos. With this quantity of vegetables, I think you can make about 8 pizza pies. So let's see how I make these pizzas. So I will add half a cup of marinara sauce into a mixing bowl and 1 cup of Maggi hot and sweet sauce. You can adjust the quantity of hot and sweet based on your taste. If you like little spicy, you can add more Maggi hot and sweet. I like my pizza to be little spicy, so I added more of hot and sweet sauce. So let's mix it well. So our pizza sauce is ready. I have chopped green bell peppers, onions and jalapenos, and I am putting lots of black pepper and salt and mixing everything well. I'm heating up a griddle and I will toast these naans only on one side. I'll just toast a couple of them so I can get my pizza assembly line going. So let's toast, and now the toasted side of the pizza, that's where we'll put our sauce. The other side, the non-toasted side, will go on the bottom. So this is my toasted side. I'm putting the pizza sauce, and now I will put all the chopped vegetables, and don't ever cook them. They taste the best when they are raw. The rawness of onions, the bell peppers and the jalapenos, yummy. And let's spread that. And now it's time to add cheese. And the Amul cheese really complements this recipe. So don't compromise the choice of cheese. Don't add mozzarella or any other American or Italian cheese that's available in the market here. Go for Amul. And now let's transfer this on a hot griddle. The flame has to be very low and slow, so we will get nice toasted crust. I like my Indian pizza to be little crunchy, so be patient and let the crust be nicely toasted. It's almost ready, so let's put the pizza on the cutting board. And time to cut the pizza. I can't wait to have a slice. You heard the crunch? Okay, so let's cut the pizza and time to dig in. I am sure once you try this recipe, there is no way going back to any other pizza. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you will surely give it a try. Do let me know if you like the recipe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.